I'm Ibn Samsudin and my metric number is B0922104142. Today I want to present about introduction. For our topic is bicycle pump. A bicycle pump is a simple yet efficient mechanical tool used to inflate bicycle tires by compressing air and delivering it under pressure. This device is an excellent example of fundamental mechanical engineering principle at work, combining efficiency with ease to use. Next focus of the report is dismantling and reassembly of a bicycle pump. In this report, we focus on the bicycle pump as the subject of our task assessment, which involves dismantling, analyzing, reassembling, and recommending preventive maintenance. Next, the purpose to understand internal mechanism, component, and functionality bicycle pump. The assessment is aimed at the practical understanding of the internal structure and functionality of the bicycle pump, considering how its different components interact in a way to facilitate effective air transfer. The assessment also seeks to highlight the potential mechanical failure point or wear outside, as well as recommend best practice for maintenance that can help the pump serve for a long time. This assessment is aimed at the practical understanding of the internal structure and functionality of the bicycle pump, considering how its different components interact in a way to facilitate effective air transfer. The assessment also seeks to highlight the potential mechanical failure point of wear of site, as well as recommend best practice for maintenance that can help the pump serve for a long time.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Rozilan. My matrix number will be 0992102238. Today I'm gonna present about December sequence, which is our product is bicycle pump. For the first step of the December sequence, which is the first one, we detach the handle from the air cylinder, which is we separate the handle from the air cylinder. We using a screwdriver to unscrew the screw. For the second step is detach the air cylinder from the pump base, which is we separate the air cylinder from the home base. For the third one is detach the air hose from the main body of the bicycle pump, which is we separate the hose from the main base of the hose. The fourth one is detach pressure gauge from the base, which is the pressure gauge to measure the pressure of the air that can be produced to inflate any of our products such as balls and tires. Next, we detach the valve head from the air hose to loose the valve head from the hose. And finally, we separate the o-ring from the air hose and from the handlebar, which is the o-ring function.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirul Aiman bin Muhammad Rozani. So today I will be explain about assembly sequence for bicycle pump. So the first step is we install the screw at the handle, securely attach all components in sequence, align the part precisely, and ensure all connections are tightened before final assembly and testing. So the second step is we install the body of the pump into the base, secure it firmly, attach the necessary fitting, and align all components properly. Next step is we install the screw at the both sides, which is left and right of the body, to attach it securely to the base and ensuring proper alignment before tightening all connection. So next step is we insert the hose into the designated outlet on the outside body of the pump and ensure it is securely fit and fasten it with clamp. Next step is we insert the o-ring and design growth of the backside pressure gauge on the pump. Okay, for the next step is we insert the pressure gauge into the housing at the base of the pump and ensuring it is aligned correctly and securely fit to provide accurate pressure reading during operation. For the step 7 is we insert the O-ring into the air cylinder and ensuring it is positioned correctly and undamaged to provide an effective seal and prevent air leakage. So next step is we insert the handle into the body of the pump, which is we need to align and securely fasten to allow smooth and efficient operation. Next step is after insert the handle, we install the screw at the both side, which is left and right, and tightening them securely to ensure the handle is firmly attached. And for the last step is we tighten the nozzle into the pump, ensuring it is securely fastened to make proper flow during operation.
Wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shukri. I will explain about the tools used along with their functions. First of all, the tool we use when doing the open and reinstalling process is screwdriver. The size we use is small because it is necessary to open the small screws on the pump body and handle. And the second tool we use is a pair of needle nose pliers. Its function is that we hold onto the nut, which is difficult to hold because it is very tight in a narrow place. Also, we use a flat head screwdriver. Its use is to open screw that have a straight line. The last tool is a line safety glass, and they are to avoid any dust particle or unscrew screw hitting the ice. Thank you from me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Afiq Hussairi bin Rosli and my matrix number is B0922100017, and I will continue the presentation with the topic of preventive maintenance recommendation for bicycle pump. So the first one is regular cleaning. The bicycle pump need to be cleaned on the outside of the pump using a damp cloth to remove any accumulated green, dirt or any particles that have built up. It has been clogged by mud or grime. Clean the pump well around the nozzle and at the base. Next is lubrication. Apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant to the pump shaft for smooth operation. Do not use petroleum-based lubricant as they will deteriorate the rubber seal. Inspect the internal seal and the O-rings for adequate lubrication. Disassemble the pump if feasible to lightly grease internal components. Next is to check the key component. First, we have to check the hose. Inspect the hose for cracks or leaks or sign of wear. Replace the hose if it shows any damage. Ensure the connection point at both ends of the hose are secure and free from obstruction. Next, inspect the nozzle or the head. Examine the pump head for wear and tear. Ensure the rubber gasket or seal inside the pump head are in good condition. Replace them if they are worn out or no longer can create a tight seal. Next, inspect the pressure gauge. Verify that the pressure gauge is functioning accurately. Compare its reading with a reliable standalone gauge if necessary. Clean the gauge glass plastic cover to keep it readable. The next step is test regularly of the pump. Use the pump periodically to ensure all the parts are working correctly. Pump air into a spare inner tube or directly into a tire to confirm proper operation and sealing. Next, the storage of the pump. Store the pump in a dry location or cool location to avoid any rust, corrosion, and degradation of rubber component. Avoid leaving the pump exposed to a direct sunlight to prolonged periods as UV rays can weaken plastic and rubber parts. Lastly is periodical component replacement. Replace a worn out part such as seal, O-ring or gasket to maintain its efficiency. Many pumps come with repair kits or replacement part. And that's all from me. Thank you.